back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you don't know it by now, it is Valentine's Day. Love is in the air. I love my significant other, you know. I'm sorry, let me not lie to you guys. I have no significant other. My mother is my Valentine. I haven't had a Valentine in years. So I'm just not really feeling this whole, like, you know, love is in the air, yada yada yada, foo-foo, lame-ish or whatever. I'm really on just, you know, I love myself. I am my own Valentine. And you know, if you're your own Valentine, nothing is wrong with that. Self-love is the best love. Anywho, I like to call this the perfect Valentine's Day look, or the anti-Valentine's Day look, because I'm more the grungy side, not wearing a lot of pinks, all that kind of stuff, but that is brought out in my face. I'm wearing a lot of pinks, a lot of purples, you know, Valentine's Day feel, but at the same time, you know, not really feeling Valentine's Day. So call it how you want. This is the look I'm going for today. And if you would like to see how I achieve this look, go ahead and keep on watching. So I already prepped my eyes with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And from this look today, I'm going to start off by using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm gonna start off with the color Turkish Delight. I'm just gonna apply that all over my eye as a base. Okay, so now I'm going to go in the shade Saffron in the same palette and take that in the crease of my eye. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Ode and apply that in the crease of my eye as well, a little bit lower than the color I just applied. I'm taking it kind of in a V motion just to sweep it down into my lower eye. Kind of going for that smoky look. Okay, now I'm about to apply some glitter glue because I'm going to apply some glitter. And this adhesive will just make the glitter stick better to my eyelid, so yeah. So now I'm about to go in my Golden State of Mind ColourPop palette and use the shade, and go in the shade Watch Out and apply that to the inner corner of my eye. So I'm about to go back and blend some of this out with one of my Real Technique brushes. And just make sure these colors are nicely blended in and we have no harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm about to apply my eyeliner and I'm using Too Faced. Okay, so now I'm about to apply eyelashes. I can't remember what these lashes are called or what brand they're by, but I really like them. And I'm sorry I can't remember the name of them so I can tell you guys, but yeah. These are what lashes I'm using. Okay, so I'm about to apply the Roller Lash by Benefit Lashes mascara to the bottom lash line, and as well as my top lashes, just to blend in my real lashes with my falsies. So moving on to face, I'm going to use my Professionals primer to prime my face. Okay, so I'm about to go in with my NARS foundation, my holy grail, in shade Cadiz, however you pronounce it. Applying this to my face with my damp beauty blender. And I already applied some of the foundation on my beauty blender, But sometimes I don't like doing it when it's damp because I feel like it just absorbs all my foundation. That's why I just applied some directly to my face, opposed to, like I said, putting it on my beauty blender. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm about to go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Caramel and apply that to my highlighted areas. And for my look today, I really want to go for that like lighter under eye look or lighter highlighted area look. So that's what I'm doing. I actually need to go down a shade in concealer, I feel like, because I feel like this concealer shade just matches too well with my foundation itself. I mean, I know it's a shade lighter, but I want to go a shade even lighter. Okay. Alright. So I'm about to go ahead and blend that in. So I'm now about to contour my face with my Anastasia contour palette. So I'm now about to set all of that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm about to contour my nose a bit and use that same Anastasia contour powder. Use that to contour my nose. Make it look sharp and snatched. So now I'm about to go ahead and wipe away all this extra powder that's on my face. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face so I don't look as powdery or don't look powdery at all. Just wanna make sure my foundation looks nice and smooth. So yeah, on to spraying. I'm gonna go also back in with my DM Beauty Blender and make sure this is all blended in. So now I'm about to apply some bronzer back up to my face to liven it up a bit. Okay, so now for highlight, I'm going to be using one of my favorites. This is really growing on me. My Glow Kit from Anastasia. This is the Ultimate Glow palette. Like one of those Got Milk commercials. Got Milk. So I almost forgot blush, and what's a Valentine's Day look without blush? So I'm about to go in the shade Party. This is with Tarte, and apply that to my cheekbones. So I'm now about to go in the shade I Get So by Max, one of their Mariah Carey holiday collections, and apply that. Okay, so I'm going to set my face one last time. And there you guys go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask below. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.